Good morning, everyone. My name is Heri Farina, and today I will presenting as an industrial engineering consult on how our company can move the industry or with all technologies to build a smarter, more competitive factory. As we all know, manufacturing landscape change rapidly. Competitors are becoming faster, more efficient, and more data driven. If our company continues to rely only on traditional manual process, we risk falling behind in terms of productivity, quality, and cost efficiency. That is why I would like to propose a roadmap for adopting Industry 4.0 technology, namely the Internet of Things, automation, and data analytics. Let's me walk you through the implementation roadmap. In the first place, which is the assessment and planning stage, we will conduct a full audit of our current production system to identify which processes are the best candidates for digitization. Such as high repetitive tasks are quality inspection point. In the second phase, we will begin with a pilot project installing IoT sensor of selected machines to collective real-time data or performance, temperature, and downtime. In the third phase, we will introduce automation for effective and high-growth tasks, reducing human error and increasing consistency. Finally, in the fourth phase, we will implement and centralize data analytics dashboard, allowing management to make faster and more accurate decisions based on real-time production data. Of course, this transformation requires so we will need investment in IoT sensors, automation equipment, and software platform, and well as training program to upskill our employees. So hey, so they are comfortable working alongside this new technology. Collaboration with technology vendor and possible external consultant during the early phase will also be important to ensure a smooth transition. Now, what benefit can expect? First, increased productivity, giant automation reduces manual bottlenecks and speeds up production cycle. Then, improve quality control as EOT sensor can take effect or regularly before they become constantly problem. Third, better decision making. Science data analytics gives management accurate real-time insight instead of relying on visual. And finally, long-term cost saving as predicted maintenance enabled by IoT and prevent expensive machine breakdown. However, we must all however, we must also be realistic about the potential risks. There's include the high initial investment cost that stems the change from employees who are used to exceptional and cybersecurity risk. Tight connected system can be vulnerable to cyber threat. To address this challenge, I recommend a fast rollout to manage costs, a strong change management, and training program to bring employer on board, and robust a robust cybersecurity framework to protect our data, to protect our data and system from the very beginning. Conclusion: adopting Industry 4.0 technology is not just option anymore. It's a necessity for staying confident. Today, manufacturing with a clear roadmap, the right resource, and careful risk management, our company can transform into a smarter, more efficiency, and more resilient factory. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm happy to answer any